Children, in our previous class we studied the physical properties of the metals. Okay, what are the physical properties? Metals are lustrous. They have the shiny surface. The second one is sonority. Metals produce sound when they are dropped. Third one, what is the third one? Ductility. And the fourth one is malleability. We studied all these things in our previous class. In this class we will study the chemical properties of the metals. The first chemical property is reaction of metals with oxygen. With oxygen. Reaction of metals with oxygen. To do this lab activity, what are the materials we need? See this? This is known as magnesium ribbon, magnesium metal. Okay. Next, spirit lamp. What is that? Spirit lamp. Next, china dish. What is this? China dish. And a matchbox. Okay. Next, a holder. We use this to hold the magnesium ribbon. Are you clear? So before starting the experiment, take a small piece of magnesium ribbon. I have taken a small magnesium ribbon. Now see this. This is known as what we call it a spirit lamp. What is that? Spirit lamp. See this? I have taken a small piece of magnesium ribbon. What I am doing? I am burning the magnesium ribbon with the help of spirit lamp. Actually, the atmosphere, I am burning this magnesium ribbon in the atmosphere. Atmosphere consists of oxygen also. Okay, this magnesium metal reacts with oxygen. Observe this. What are the changes that takes place when the magnesium ribbon burns? See this? The magnesium ribbon is burning with, observe the change. Okay, once again. See this? See this? It gives white ash. Okay, white ash is formed. I collected the white ash in the china dish. Observe this one. Okay, this is magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Are you clear? You have the water? You have the water with you? Okay. Now listen to me. Now listen. See, I collected the traces of this magnesium oxide. Observe this one. Can you see the white powder?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this white powder is magnesium oxide. What is this? Magnesium oxide. Now, I am adding few drops of water to magnesium oxide. See this? What I am doing? What I am doing? I have taken a small piece of magnesium ribbon and I burnt the magnesium ribbon in the presence of oxygen that bonds with bright light, we call it as the dazzling light, dazzling white light, and white ash is formed. I dissolve the white ash in water. Okay, now this is the red litmus paper. What is this? Red litmus paper. What is its color? Red. Is it red or pink? Okay. We call it as the red litmus paper. Now, see this. I have taken red litmus paper. I am testing the solution with the red litmus paper. Now, observe what happens to the red litmus paper. Do you find any change in its color? If you observe this carefully, it gradually changes to blue. Okay, light blue. Actually, this is the old paper. Okay, so it changes to blue color. Are you clear? So, red litmus paper turns to which color? Blue color. Let us observe this, what happens. This observe carefully. Once again, you observe this carefully. Is there any change in its color? Observe this. Do you find any change? Observe. Any change? Red or blue? It is changing to blue gradually. Observe this. Slow reaction is taking place. Okay, because it is a weak base. It is a magnesium hydroxide is a weak base. It changes to blue color. Red litmus paper turns to blue color. So, what is formed when metals burn in the presence of oxygen? They give metallic oxides. They give metallic oxides. When those metallic oxides dissolve in water, they produce bases. What is that? They produce bases. This is the blue color. Are you clear about that one? So red litmus turns to which color? Blue color. Okay. Now, so write down that reaction. What I am doing? See what I did now. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to give magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. So we can conclude that metals react with oxygen and produce metallic oxides. Magnesium oxide plus water, it gives magnesium hydroxide. It is basic in nature. turns red litmus to blue. Are you clear? So we generally what we can conclude, metals react with oxygen to give metal oxides. We did the experiment by taking magnesium ribbon. Okay, magnesium ribbon burns in the presence of oxygen, okay, and gives magnesium oxide. A white ash is formed. When you dissolve that white ash in water, magnesium hydroxide is formed. When you test with the litmus paper, red litmus paper, that red litmus paper turns to which color? Blue color. What is that? Blue color. Just now see this one. See this? Observe. Okay, this is the paper now we dipped in the water. Okay, is there any change in its color? Yes. Red litmus paper turns to blue. With this we can say that hydroxides, magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature, or metal oxides are basic in nature. Are you clear? Okay, are you clear about that one?